Isam, good. Okay, guys. Now let me just prepare my camera. Okay. Now, today we'll do solve rate problems. Before we start, as I said, guys, as I was talking, in Tuesday and Wednesday, the periods of math will be solving exercises and revision exercises about chapter 1. So you can prepare your questions, prepare anything you didn't understand it until yet. So you can ask me in these two periods about any question in chapter 1. Now let's start about our new lesson, lesson 8, solve rate problems. Solve rate problems. Before we start, I will start with the easy example here. For example, guys, if I wanna buy, let's say, a 12 box and $24. 24 box and $12. Okay. Like this. I want to buy 12 box in $24. If I can buy a 12 box in $24 and someone want to buy, let's say, what is the price? My question is, what is the price? What is the price of, let's say, 30 books? 30 books. Again, I can buy a 12 box in $24. My question is, what is the price of 30 books? To find this answer, guys, I need to know the price of one book. If the price of one book 5 real, for example, if the price of one book is 5 reals, for example, or $5, because I'm talking about that. If the price of one book $5, what is the price of 30 books, guys? Who can tell me? If I want to buy 30 books, who can tell me how I can find the price of this? If I know the price of one book is $5, what is the price of 30 books? Who can tell me that? How I can find the answer? Ahmed Fadi. Ahmed.
Yes. By multiply.
Okay, Ahmed.
Multiply 30. 5 multiply 6.
6 your mic يا أحمد. طيب.
Mr.
نضال.
Hello.
How can I find the price of 30 books if one book for $5?
We will make 30 multiply 5.
Oh my God, no, it's my problem. I used the wrong headset. No, sorry, now I can hear you, I think. Nidal, talk.
Yes, 30 multiply.
Ahmed Fadi, wait, Balla. Ahmed Fadi, are you here?
Mister, I can
Yes,
hear
Ahmed. Yes. معلش Nidal, because I asked Ahmed Fadi first. Yalla, Ahmed, how I find 30 books, the price of 30 books, quickly.
5 multiply 6.
We multiply what?
5 multiply 6.
من وين ال6 جايبها هذه؟ Mister, if the price of one book is $5, what is the price of 30 books? Huh?
5 multiply 12.
Yabni, from where you get the 12? خلك من ال 12. I'm here now. Do you see the board?
Yes.
If the price of one book is $5, what is the price of 30 books? شو أعمل؟
Multiply.
What with what? Multiply what with what? طيب أحمد, look here. رحت على السوبر ماركت أنت, ماشي؟
ماشي.
And you want to buy, let's say, 3 chocolates. خلاص؟ The price of one chocolate is 4 reals.
4 real.
The price of one chocolate is 4 reals. What you will pay for 3 chocolates?
12.
12. How you get the 12?
By multiplying.
يا زلمة, multiplying what with what?
4 multiply 3.
Thank you. We multiply the number, the price, the unit price, the price of 1 unit by how many you want to buy, right?
Yes.
Up here, if 1 book is $5, what's the price of 30 books? What I will do?
5 multiply
أيوة
30.
يا ابني احكي مالك أنت 5 multiply what?
30.
خلاص 5 multiply 30 so it's 150 what? Dollar. Now to know the price of number of items, guys, we need to know the price of 1 item. Let's go back here. A 12 books and $24. Type. Do I know the price of 1 book? No. I know the price of 12 books. So here, guys, the first step, we need to find the unit price. The unit price means the price of 1 book. How we find the price of 1 book? We make our rate and turn it to something we know it very well. We call it unit rate. So a 12 books, sorry, $24 for 12 books. How we turn it to unit rate? We divide on a 12 here and divide on a 12 here. Now down 1 book and up 24 divided by 12. $2. Right. So the price of 1 book now is how many dollars? 2. But what is the price of 30 books? The 30 books. What I will do to find the price of 30 books? Who can tell? Najm.
Start to multiply 13.
2 multiply 30, Mr. Not 13. 2 multiply
2
30.
multiply
2.
30.
2 is the price of 1 book, and the 30 is how many books I want to buy. So 2 multiply 30, which is
Equals 60.
$60.
60.
Now, if it's 12 books and $24, then 30 books and $60. How I get the 60, guys? I need to find the unit rate, the unit price, then multiply. This is our idea. Mr. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Now, this is the idea of this lesson, guys, and let's take the first example about solve rate problems. I will erase this one. Who can read? يلا. Reading, guys. The first example, page 66. لا تسألني أي page. يلا كوشك, read. عمر.
Yes, mister.
Guys, we are on page 66. The first example, example number 1. يلا. Read ابني.
Our house sells 15 ounces cans of tomato sauce by the case.
Again, read again. معلش مش مركز معاك.
A warehouse sells 15 ounces cans of tomato sauce by the case.
Continue.
Each case contains 6 cans and sells for a price of $9.96.
Thank you. In the warehouse store, guys, we have 2 stores here. The first one we call it warehouse, and the second one the grocery house. In the warehouse, guys, the 6 cans, the price of 6 cans, 9 point what?
96.
96 what? Dollar. Again, in the warehouse, guys, the price of 6 cans is how many dollars? $9.96. From where I get this rate? From the question. From the question. And by the way, عشان ما تخربط, the word 15 ounce cans هذه, see it? 15 ounce. هذه name, not a value. هذه name, not a value, okay? Name, just name. Forget it. Continue.
At a local grocery store, three 15 ounces cans of the same brand.
How many 15 ounces cans? How many?
How many 15?
لا read again. 3 صح؟ مش مكتوب 3؟
Yes.
3 15 ounces cans. So the 3 cans مكتوب 3 guys, not there. 3. See it? 3 15 ounces cans. 3 cans for how many dollars, yeah, Mr.?
For 5.67.
67.
Yes, yes.
يا ابني ركز معي. 67 like this.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
dollar. حلو. Again, guys, in the warehouse, the 6 cans are sold for 9.96. Are sold. In the grocery house, if we want to buy 3 cans, the price of them $5.67. خلاص? So we have 2 rates, each rate for special store. Continue.
A creator needs to buy 36 cans.
Someone, look here guys at the board and look how I manage my question. Okay, look at the board and see how I manage my question. Now I have warehouse 6 cans for $9.96. Grocery store 3 cans for $5.67. Someone come to the 2 stores and he wanna buy how many cans? 36 cans. So we have a store, and someone wanna buy 36 cans. Continue.
Only. How much will the cutter save by buying 36 cans from the warehouse inside of from the grocery store?
Hello. Now the 36 cans, guys, someone he wanna buy 36 cans, and the question wants us to know if this someone, guys, buy the 36 cans from this store and from this store, how much he will save. How much he will save. To understand the idea, come with me here and look here, guys. For example, if you wanna buy a bicycle, and you have 2 stores. You have 2 stores to buy this bicycle. The first price in the first store, let's say $100. The second price in the second store, let's say $150. But if you buy from here, if you buy from this one, how much you will save? كم حتوفر? Who can tell? ينال محمد. ينال.
We will save $50.
We will save $50. How you know, ya mister? What you did? كيف عرفت؟ ينال.
Yes,
ينال.
mister, I did
Talk with me يا روحي.
divide.
Talk with me. You did what? You said $50. We will save $50, right?
Yes.
Talk with me, mister. Talk with me. Allah يسعدك. We will save $50. How you know that we will save $50? What you did to find the 50?
I did 150 minus 100.
We did subtraction. صح ولا لا؟ ها 150 minus 100, we will save how much? $50. مش هيك؟
50.
صح؟ This is what we did.
Mister,
A bicycle from
now
this store 100, a bicycle from the other store 150. يا مستر أيوة. To know how much we will save, guys, we will subtract. يا مستر talk.
I said for you minus more than 1 time, but I didn't know what happened.
No,
to my
the first word you said divide, right?
Yes, the first time I said divide, but then I say
subtraction. Yes.
subtract.
Good.
But
good, Yanal. خلاص. Good. Yeah. مش مشكلة. It's okay, يا mister. It's okay. So to know how much we will save, guys, we need to subtract the price of 36 cans from this store and from this store. مش هيك؟ طب how we know the price of the 36 cans in this store and this store? To know the price of the 36 cans, we need to know the price of 1 cans. If the price of 1 cans 2, we multiply with 2. 3, we multiply with 3. But here, I know the price of 6 cans, and here, I know the price of 3 cans. To know the price of 1 can in the first warehouse, we need to turn this to what? To unit rate. So let's start with the warehouse here. For the warehouse, $9.96 for 6 cans. To know the price of 1 can, we divide on 6, divide on 6. This will be, down will be 1 can, and up will be 9.96 divided by 6. We make long division normally. I'll make it here quickly. 9.96 divided by 6. It will be $1.66. So what I did here, guys, what I did, I make unit rate to know the price of 1 can in the warehouse. Let's do for the grocery also. For the grocery, I will divide on what in the grocery store? I will divide on 3 up and down. So $5.67 for the 3 cans. To know the price of 1 can, we divide on 3 up and down. Divide on 3, which is equal to, down will be 1 can, up 5.67 divided by 3. You make your division. 5.67 divided by 3 will be $1.89. Now, what I did until now, I found the unit rate for the first store and the unit rate for the second store. Now, I want to know the price of the 36 cans for the first store and the price of the 36 cans for the second store. How I can know the price of the 36 cans for the warehouse store? Who can tell? Who can tell how I know the price of the 36 cans in the warehouse store, guys? Yusuf, Yusuf Hamza, yalla.
Yes, mister.
Yes. How I will know the price of the 36 cans in the warehouse store?
Now 1 can in the warehouse equals 1.66.
But 36 cans, what we will do?
Multiply the 36 cans with 1.66.
Excellent boy. So 36 guys multiply 1.66. The answer will be, let me find the answer. Surah. 36 multiply 1.66 is 59.76. So the price of the 36 cans in the warehouse store is $59.76. But how I will know, how I will know the price of the 36 cans for the grocery house? Who can tell?
Mister, I'm still unmuted.
No, خلاص, mute yourself. Who can tell how I will know the price of the 36 cans in the grocery store? New students, guys, where are you? New students, where are you? Rakan Alauddin, yalla. How I will know, ya Rakan?
We'll multiply 1.89
أيوة.
36 cans.
Excellent boy. So 36 guys multiply 1.89. I'll do my multiplications here in my calculator to save time, but you know how to multiply with decimals. 36 multiply 1.89 is 68.04 what? Dollars. Now, until now, guys, what I did until now, let me summarize what we did here. We have 2 stores, warehouse, it sells the 6 cans for $9.96, and the grocery house sells the 3 cans for $5.67. Someone wanna buy 36 cans, and he is confused if he buy from this one or this one and how much he will save. Now, to help him, what we will do, guys, we will find the unit price, the first one, the unit price, the second one. Then find the price of the 36 cans in the warehouse and find the price of the 36 cans in the grocery house. Now, to know how much he will save, we will did as Yanal Muhammad did here. He subtracts the bigger price minus the lower price to know how much he will save. Now, what's the bigger price, guys? The bigger price is the grocery. Grocery is more expensive than the warehouse. So this man decided to buy from the warehouse. This man decided to buy from the warehouse. Why? Because the price of the 36 cans here is less than here. But how much he will save? Who can tell me how we know that? How much he will save if he buy from the warehouse and he did not buy from the grocery house? What we will do, guys, to know? What we will do to know? Sultan. Sultan, what we will know? What we will do, sorry?
We will subtract
What?
we will
What?
subtract 95 decimal 76 subtract
Yeah.
68 decimal 54.
04. Look here, this number is less than this number. So we'll start with the bigger number in subtraction, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now to know how much he will save, guys, we will subtract 68.04 minus 59.76. We'll subtract, normal subtractions, put them over each other and do subtractions, and the answer will be, guys, let me calculate it here, 68.04 minus 59.76, it's $8.28. 8.28 what? Dollars. So, this man, if he bought from the warehouse, he will save how much, guys? $8.28. Now, all of you remove your hands. If you have any question about this example, keep your hand. All of you remove your hands. If you have any questions about the first example, keep your hand, please. Oh, no one. No one. No one has a question about this example. If that's correct, I'm so proud of you. Let's go to the check. Who can read the check, guys? Before we go to the check, guys, let's see the answer of the book. Let's see the answer on the book. So go to the book, guys, and take a look to how the book did the question. In the example, guys, here, example 1, see it? We do steps, steps, steps. Who can read the last paragraph here? The Carter, whatever هذا اسمه. يلا ينال فادي. ينال.
Yes, Mister.
يلا ينال. Did you understand the example?
Yes.
طب read the last paragraph يا مستر. The Carter. يلا.
The Carter
Caterer, whatever. أيوة. Will save
1.89 minus 1.66 or 0.23 per can.
Continue.
By buying from the warehouse instead of the grocery store. To buy 36 cans from the warehouse instead of the grocery store, the caterer will save 36 multiply 0.23
or look here, read. Look to my screen now.
or 8.28.
Or $8.28, which is our final answer here, right, guys? $8.28. This is an example, and stay with me, Yanal, and read the check question under this example, verse 66. Yalla.
Read now. Start.
Yes, read. Guys, we are on the check. Wait, Yanal. We are on the check under this example. Read, Yanal.
Miranda typed 325 words in
ايش اسمها؟
Miranda.
بيبسي. يلا هاي ميراندا. Wait, how many words for Miranda?
Uh, 7.
Mister, how many words? Miranda, read the question.
325.
325 words in how many minutes?
5.
In 5 minutes. Continue.
While Joseph typed 295 words in 5 minutes.
295 words in how many minutes?
5.
5 minutes also. Hello. This is our rates, guys. Look here at the board. Miranda can type 325 words in how many minutes? 5 minutes.
5.
Joseph can type 295 words in how many minutes also? In 5 minutes.
5.
Continue.
At these rates, how many more words can Miranda type in 9 minutes than Joseph?
Hello. Now we will find how many minutes, guys. Before I start, what's the meaning of the word how many more? In math, guys, what we did to know how many more? ممتاز ينال. In math, guys, to know how many more, we did what always? Subtraction. صح? We did subtraction. So here, to know how many more Miranda can type than Joseph in 9 minutes. In 9 minutes, okay? What we will do, guys? We'll see how much Miranda can type in 9 minutes and how much Joseph can type in 9 minutes. Then we make what? Subtraction between them, right?
Subtraction.
I don't know how many Miranda can type in 9 minutes, but I know how many Miranda can type in 5 minutes. How we know in 9 minutes, guys? What we need to do?
Mr. Aino, can I answer?
Say.
Okay. We divide down. We divide by 5 by down and by up.
Then we multiply with?
Then we multiply with the 9.
With the 9. صح? So first, as Yanal said, we'll do unit rate to find how many words in how many minutes? In 1 minute for both. For both. Like here, we did for both, then we multiply by both, then we subtract. Here also, I will make 2 divisions. The first one for Miranda and the second one for Joseph. Okay, guys? Now, for Miranda, I will find the unit rate. For Joseph, I will find the unit rate. Then for Miranda, I will find how many in 9 minutes. Then for Joseph, I will find how many in 9 minutes. Then I will see the difference between them. Let's start with Miranda. 325 over 5. Both divided by what, guys? By 5. This will be 5 divided by 5. 1 minute. 325 divided by 5, I'll make normal long division. 325 divided by 5, 6, 30, subtract 2, 5, 5. 65 words. 65 what? Words. So, Miranda, in 1 minute, she can type 65 words. But in 9 minutes, how many Miranda will type? What we will do?
We multiply.
9 with 65. So let's multiply 9 with 65. This will be, let's do normal multiplication. 9 times 65. 9 by 5, 45. 45. 5 down, 4 up, right? 9 by 6, 54. With 4, 58. So 9 times 65 is 558 words in 9 minutes, right?
Yes.
So, Miranda, in 1 minute, she can type 65 words. In 9 minutes, she can type 585 words. Let's do the same steps for me and الأخ Joseph. يلا. Now, 295 over 5, both divided by 5, right? Done, 1 minute. Up, let's make long division. 295 divided by 5, 5, 25, subtract 4, 5, 9, 45, subtract 0. How many words, guys?
59.
لا يا زلمة شو اللي 59 59 صح 59 words هاي 59 words طب in 9 minutes for Joseph we'll multiply 9 by 59 this will be let's multiply 9 by 59 9 by 9 81 9 by 5 45 with 8 53 531 what words. Let's come back here. Let me erase these calculations. I don't need them in my solutions. Now, سكت أخوك ولا. Now, look here guys. Now, Miranda, in 9 minutes, she can type 585 words. Joseph, in 9 minutes, he can type 531 words. How many more, guys? How many more Miranda can type than Joseph? What we will do?
We will multiply.
Wait. أي multiply خلصنا يا ابني. خلاص ينال. خلاص. ينال else. عصام يلا. عصام.
Now we will
What we will do? Isam,
Yeah, Mister.
what we will do to find how many more Miranda than Joseph?
Subtract.
Subtract 585 minus 531. So 585 minus 531 equals, let's do subtraction, 585, 531, and make subtract. This is 4, this is 5, and this is 0. So how much, guys?
54.
54 words. So, what's the meaning of this, guys? Means if Miranda and Joseph, both, we gave them 9 minutes and they start typing, after the 9 minutes, Miranda will type more than Joseph by how many words?
54.
54 words. This is the check question. Copy it in the book, guys. Try to copy it. Your homework for today will be questions 1 and 2. Questions 1 and 2.
Okay.
Tomorrow, inshallah, we will do more about this lesson and we will finish the page of the homework. Copy check, guys. Copy the check. Before you copying, Isam, do you see my screen here?
Yes.
What's they wrote in the answer?
54 words.
54 words, and this is how we get the 54 words, guys. Okay, now check the question. Copy the question in example, in check page 66. You have a space under it. Try to copy these steps under the question, and if you have questions, keep your hand. If you don't have, remove your hands, please. Okay. Ibrahim.
Mister, I write it in the copybook, in my copybook.
It's okay. It's okay, mister. It's okay. إن شاء الله تكتبوا على الحيطة عندكم. أهم شيء تكتب. It's okay. Good boy. You understand it?
Yes. Very
طيب.
much.
يلا. عبد الإله.
Mister,
Yes.
the homework, what page?
Mister, I can't hear you.
The homework, what is page?
عبد الإله.
Yes, Mister.
عبد الإله كيف حالك؟
كويس.
افتح يا عبد الإله معاي. Open the book.
أيوة.
Page what?
71.
شو مكتوب فوق؟
Practice.
This is the homework page, always, in each lesson, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Questions 1 and 2, guys, in the practice. Copy the question here, please, quickly. That's all for today, guys. Tomorrow, we will continue in the lesson. and we will finish the lesson. Isam, you can stop recording.
Okay, Mr.
Thank you.